Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Brain Detox 101 Muslim Edition. Wait, am I even qualified to teach this class? Last week I scrolled TikTok for 2 hours straight, then told myself it was research. Spoiler, it wasn't. But maybe that's why I'm the perfect professor today. Because if your brain feels like overcooked noodles, trust me, same. When I was younger, I thought being Muslim meant I'd spend my free time reading Quran, learning Arabic, becoming wise like an old scholar by 20. Reality, I've memorized more TikTok sounds than Quran ayahs, and my Duolingo Arabic streak is, gone. My brain, rotten. You know that feeling when you scroll for hours, close the app, and instantly reopen it again? That brain fog, that guilt, that what am I doing with my life? That's what I call a rotted brain. And it's not just wasted time. It eats your focus, your motivation, even your imaan. So I did what everyone does, Googled how to fix my brain. The internet said, wake up at 5 a.m., journal for 2 hours, take cold showers, read 10 books a month. I tried, lasted 2 days, and then I was back to binge-watching cat videos. Clearly, the cure wasn't just another productivity hack. In Islam, your brain isn't just yours. It's an amana, a trust from Allah. What you feed it matters. Quran calls our hearts and minds tools for reflection, not storage for endless memes. The Prophet ﷺ said, take advantage of 5 before 5, your youth before your old age, your health before your illness, your wealth before your poverty, your free time before your busyness, and your life before your death. Translation? Free time is gold. Don't waste it rotting your brain. Here's how it usually goes. You say, okay, I'll just watch one video. 2 hours later, you're learning about why penguins have knees. Then you feel guilty, promise to change, but repeat the cycle the next day. That's the cycle of rot. But there's another cycle, the cycle of growth. It starts when you notice, wow, my brain feels rotten. Then instead of doom scrolling again, you swap just one activity. Replace 1 hour of scrolling with 1 page of Quran, or even a short walk while making dhikr. Small swaps lead to big shifts. That's how you break the cycle. One time, I binged an entire season of an anime in 2 days. Afterwards, my mom asked me to recite Surah Fatiha, and I blanked out halfway. My brain was fried. That's when it hit me. I wasn't resting, I was rotting. Rest recharges you. Rotting just makes you emptier. Practical steps to unrot your brain. Muslim edition. Swap, don't stop. Don't try to quit everything cold turkey. Replace. Scroll, listen to Quran recitation. Netflix, Islamic podcast. Instead of saying, I'll pray tahajjud every night, start with 1 extra sunnah rakah. Small, consistent wins. Baraka routines. Set anchor points. Salah is your reset button 5 times a day. Use it to unplug and recharge. Digital detox, halal edition. Try a no-phone Jummah rule. It feels impossible, but your brain will thank you. Your brain doesn't rot because of the past or the future. It rots when you waste the present. The Quran literally swears by time. By time, indeed mankind is in loss. The cure? Use your now for something meaningful. So, how do you unrot your brain as a Muslim? It's not about deleting every app or living like a monk. It's about balance. Feed your brain Quran, knowledge, halal joy, and yes, even a little halal fun. The point isn't to never scroll. The point is to scroll with control. So, class, how do you unrot your brain? By treating it like a garden, not a trash can. What you plant grows. What you dump rots. All right, class dismissed. Jazakallahu khair for joining today's detox session. And remember, your homework is simple. Swap 1 rotten habit with 1 healthy one today. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.